Naghahanap ba kayo ng church sa Rizal na pwede nyo puntahan for Visita Iglesia? Well, share ko sa inyo naging itinerary namin last year. Our first destination is the Nuestra Señora de la Anunciata Parish Church, also known as the Old Boso-Boso Church in Boso-Boso, Antipolo City. This is easily accessible via Marcos Highway if you're coming from Metro Manila. Tama naman yung parang very very charming tong church na to. And nakaka-inlove siya sa loob. Parang mix of old and new. I love how you can feel the history when you enter, especially if you read the historical marker kanina that this was also used during World War II as a garrison. Hindi nyo rin kailangan problema sa parking kasi may ample parking space sa harapan and nag-assist yung mga tauhan ng local government for parking and orderliness. Our next church is the Immaculate Heart of Mary in Taktak, Antipolo. So unlike the first church na medyo historic, ito naman very modern but enveloped in nature. So hindi lang to church, meron din siyang way of the cross dun sa baba. Very accessible lang din tong church na to, madali lang siyang hanapin sa Waze, may parking, at easily accessible din by commute dahil tricycle ride lang from Robinsons, Antipolo. Our next stop is the Transfiguration of Christ Parish Church in ML Quezon, Antipolo. Madali lang hanapin ang church na ito dahil it's along a major road here in Antipolo. Just a quick warning lang na baka hit or miss ang parking dito because sarado yung parking sa loob when we went there, but marami namang street parking and hindi kami nahirapan na maghanap ng pwedeng parkan. Also, this is located on a higher part of Antipolo kaya paresko yung hangin, mararamdaman mo talaga dito sa loob ng simbahan. Also, I have to mention itong mini piazza sa harapan niya na ang ganda-ganda din. Our fourth church is the St. Jerome Parish Church in Morong, Rizal. Ito ay isa din sa mga historic churches ng Rizal na nadalaw natin. So they finished building this church in 1853. Makikita niyo yung mga trusses sa roof na similar dun sa mga ibang churches na pinuntahan natin kanina. Our fifth church is the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of St. Joseph in Paras, Rizal. So kung nakita nyo kanina dun sa gilid yung numbers 339, that symbolizes na itong church na to is 339 years old. Gano'n na siya katanda. Ramdam mo yung history kapag pumasok ka dito sa simbahan. Ramdam mo talaga yung history kapag pumasok ka dito. Also, if I may add, very accessible dito and madali lang pumunta dahil maraming parking. Our sixth church is the San Ildefonso de Toledo Parish in Tanay, Rizal. Easily accessible din itong church na to, madaling puntahan kapag nakasasakyan kayo and kahit commute. Marami ring parking na available sa labas. Historic din itong church na to because the current church was completed in 1783. And our last church is the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of St. Mary Magdalene in Pililla, Rizal. Madali lang din ito puntahan kahit commute man or sasakyan, maraming parking na available and organized sa labas yung LGU. So bisa nabasa ko 1673 natapos yung structure ng church na to, pero continuous hanggang 1970s yung pagkumpleto nila ng lahat ng parts ng church. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo yung ceiling ng church sa loob ay ibang-iba kaysa doon sa mga una nating napuntahan na may mga wooden trusses.